Good morning, Hank. It's Learn-a-thon.
Good morning, John. It's the Learn-a-thon.
I think we might need to change the name.
That's not an option, John. It starts today.
But Hank, the suffix a-thon comes from the word marathon.
Yeah, and the Learn-a-thon is a marathon of learning. Starting today and running through the 21st, we're celebrating good information, and at Complexly, we deeply believe that good information is worth it. It's worth the research, the writing, the editing, the fact-checking, the filming, the hosting, the video editing, the sound design, the illustrating, the animating, and the fact-checking that goes into each and every Complexly video.
Yeah, Hank, you're addressing my concern exactly. This is not a marathon. We're not like the Greek messenger Pheidippides running all the way from the Battle of Marathon to Athens to report news of Greece's victory. If anything, it's more like a relay.
Learn relay?
With many people working toward the same goal. No Complexly show is made by just one person. In fact, a single episode of Crash Course Native American History can take over 200 hours of work for more than 24 people, from the initial research phase all the way through post-production.
But it's not just about making the video, John. People then need to watch it, and good information is only good if people have access to it. And Complexly wouldn't exist without the people who support it. Every lifelong learner who watches the videos, every teacher who introduces a series to their class, every Patreon supporter or member of the Bizarre Beasts Pin Club is part of the team that helps Complexly lower barriers to good information. So yeah, I mean, the a-thon in Learn-a-thon is not so much about marathon. It is from the portmanteau telethon. Telethons were these TV fundraisers, and that made any kind of a-thon like a fundraiser for a worthy cause.
Learn-a-thon. Learn-a-thon.
And all this month, we are celebrating and raising funds for good information with live streams across several of our channels, including D&D with the Complexly staff, a science writing masterclass with the Crash Course editorial team, a 2-hour Ask Hank Anything where I'm going to try to answer the audience's questions, and a ton more. So as far as entertainment value, Learn-a-thon is much more like a telethon than a foot race.
Okay, Hank, I'm convinced.
Yes! Learn-a-thon 2025 is on!
Oh, not by you, Hank. I was just thinking about something while you were talking. Pheidippides, that Greek messenger, ran all the way from Marathon to Athens, not just because there'd been a Greek victory, but because he saw a Persian ship headed toward Athens to report that the Persians had in fact won. The Persian ship was going to spread misinformation, Hank. So Pheidippides ran 26.2-ish miles from Marathon to Athens to report what really happened, because good information is worth it.
So I guess we're all Pheidippides.
Well, I would argue we're even luckier than Pheidippides. First, because Learn-a-thon is also a celebration of community and all of us working together to make reliable information and share it broadly. And secondly, because unlike Pheidippides, sharing reliable information doesn't kill us, because he did die.
Join us for Learn-a-thon 2025. Click below for the schedule of events, and if you are able, please support the good information Complexly produces by going to complexly.com/learnathon.
All right, Learn-a-thon. I've come around to it, Hank. I'll see you during Learn-a-thon.
Yes!